Oo, tangin, okay lang yan. Tangin, ang daming bison sa Princeton.
Bison ba yan?
Oo, tangin na. Dahil lang, kunin mo lang yung isang tadyang eh, di ba? Buhayin mo. Di ba? Kunin mo lang dito. Tatab-tab ka lang ng kunti sabi dito sa animal, oh. Oh, di ba? Tutubo rin yun eh. Oh. Di ba? Friends, we are now in the farm. So now my problem is to buy some liquor for my brothers and cousins there waiting for me, because when I left Vancouver, the BC liquor stores were still closed. So right now I have to look somewhere I could pull over. Alright, so we are going now inside the campground. So we are in the farm countryside, farm side. So we'll see how long are we going to get there. Maybe in 5 minutes we will arrive at the campground where the people are waiting for us for a friend's birthday. Alright, from country. See, many cows there with different colors. For the minute, it's my first time seeing cows again for been a long time. Never seen. So we are on the farm. Of course, in the farm is not complete without any cow like this. You see, right? This is very important in the farm because they are the one eating the grass, right? They are the one eating the grass in the farm. See, another horsey. Horse, can I ask a question?
Yeah, right.
Please, where's the weather campground?
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, beautiful. You are my meat. Where are you? I want to see you.
Oh, you leave.
Hi, you're very beautiful.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, and this too.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, horsey.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Aww.
Wow, you're so beautiful. Wow. Look at the amazing horse. Friends, that is your friend, horsey. Right there. Oh, look at the ass of the muscle of the horsey. Horsey. Wow. Oh, there's another. What is this? Oh my goodness. This. Okay, I have to go now because the weather is going bad now. I should have set up my tent and my awnings before before the rain drops. All right, let's go. All right, we are on the countryside. Approved. Approved. Basic setup. This Franz set Franz. So base. All right. So I got all this spice meat there.
Yun yung gusto ko isang kunin. Kaya meron ako makakuha ng microwave na 600 watts pababa. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Tapos mataas yung pag nasa.
Kain-kain, just the meat. Daming puludan. Oy, shut na. Shut na.
Happy birthday.
Sa'yo sa akin.
Ay, birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, friends. 19. Ayan, kasi
Next time, we'll pull out next
Hindi,
time.
susunod na yung ano, yung susunod, yung doon sa pang-Instagram.
Dapat kasi
Ito ba yan? Kasi may nakaroon pa ka.
Courtesy of Congressman. Oo, tangin na, okay lang yun. Tangin na, daming bison sa Peliton. Oo, tangin na. Kailangan kunin mo lang yung isang tadyang eh, di ba? Buhayin mo. Di ba? Kunin mo lang dito. Tatap-tap ka lang ng kundi sabi dito sa animal, oh. Oh, di ba? Tutubo rin yun eh. Oh. Di ba? They go fishing here. salmon here, my friends.
Oh, grabe.
Kay ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ikaw di ba?
Birthday ni Aksa.
Di ba siya may birthday?
Sino may birthday?
Birthday ni Rolly.
Si Francis.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oo, namin din. Namin din eh.
Di ba birthday mo?
O sige na, ako na nga may birthday. Ayaw nyo, ako na. Ako na. Regalo ko nga rod.
This one?
Pa ito, oh.
Ito, same to. Ay, same ka.
Wake up.
Fresh na fresh pa yan, oh. Crispy.
Sarap yan kasi ano native.
Ako na yung mga bata.
Crispy.
Then can you eat now?
Jenkins. You like crispy pata? Okay. Alright. He was eating. Tara. Mga pinagkakaguluhan dito. Ito, masarap.
Meron. Wala? Kaban. Ayan plato? Kukuha ko dun. Ayun. Please, babit ka ng plato, please. Sorry, makituyo. Ayun. Ayun, sabaw. Thank you, kuya. Kain na. Thank you, te. Kalapit ka.
Luto pa itamay sa ti ko kay itisan kay bagana Jerry. Kaya? Ado ka no sabong karabasa na? Kita. Oh. Oh ha? Yan ang pang ano. Pang pinali mamaya.
Jessie!
Where's the main? O, kaninong cake naman yan?
Basta, kahit kanino. Okay, game! August! Isa pa. Ryan, you go in there.
Hey, close.
Tapos yung kainin na
Daddy, dito ka!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Say happy birthday, birthday to you. Birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey! Make a wish. Whispers.
tekla.
Di na atala yun!
Dinadala? Oo nga.
Ako na, ano? Meron daw sa blue level sa
sa Pasay.
What's kunin pa na? What's go? What's go?
Ayun nakapansin ng mali. Where taking na? Ha?
PCIT umuwan
What are you?
boundary the one
Which
is in
part?
Wellington.
Why you wanna be working on the administration? Either?
Evening now, evening. Time check.
Hindi, builder.
10:35.
How are you? Planning, baby.
Umaga na. Wow. Still cloudy but it's clear. No rain. Umaga, kape. Early herbs. Herbs up there. Stuff everywhere. Slip there. The situation. What is the situation? The situation is this. After the event. Situational. Pulutan pa dito, gising pa. Gising na yung pulutan. Uy, pulutan. Ay. Magluto na kayo, kahit tayo ulit. Eat this, eat again. Set up. Si Ilsa naka-TRD 4X. Nagle-level up na si Elvis ah. Meron na rin siyang refrigerator. Ito na si Congressman, may refrigerator na siya. Ayan si Congressman.
Yung drainage nila.
We'll go fish for salmon there. Or do I to suspend? Okay. Look here. Kids. Here. Oh, very good boy. Show your monkey face. Monkey face. Quick. All of you. Funny face. Come on, Jesse. Oh, see the little boy there. Still. Kids time. May ano eh, RJ oh. Oh, pang boy. Napaka-cute oh, ayan oh. Ayan. Hindi nyo akalain na si Jojoy lang palang may-ari nito. Ayan oh, parang eroplano oh. Tatlong tambutso. Ayan oh. Ano yan? Oh, di ba? Oh. Cute. Di ba? Akin na lang to. Akin na lang. Balik sa kotse ulit. Oh, forma. Sa kotse ni Jojo. Yan. Ah! Ano yan? Bibigay mo naman sa akin to eh, libre eh. Ganda oh. Ano to? Manual? Sino nag-drive ng manual?
Si RJ.
Ikaw nga eh.
Hindi ko alam.
Nakalakatan. Dali lang yan.
Sinay ko na. Mahirap.
Ang bilis-bilis nga nito eh. Kahit 1 day lang matuto ka na eh. O, di ba? May dashboard siya.
Relax ko na. Ayoko na.
Ay nga eh. Kanyang dashboard ng ano, new Honda Civic. Di ba? Basta tayo after checking the car. Okay. Let's go eat. Hey, can I see your mouth? Wow, can I see your... Where your mouth is open? Where your mouth is open? Huh? Why is it open? What are you watching?
Take us to the basketball court.
Huh? Do you like it?
This is story.
Oh, your story?
Yeah.
Cat?
Watch.
Oh, you like cats? Oh, silly
They're
cat.
real.
Silly cat. Right?
They're real.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go now. Bye. Bye. Kumakain ng mga mga tao. Gutom lahat. Yan. Gutom lahat yung mga tao. Oh, Iyek, anong kinakain mo? Yan lang ba? Kinakain mo? Yan. Ito si...
Pag-gising daw to eh.
Si Ik.
Gising.
Ik.
Camping.
Camping. Maraming basura. Tapos wala namin ginawa dito puro eat. Yan. What?
And one more big boy. Yeah. That's it. Just throw it.
Yeah. Ayan o. Soft touch. Time to go. So, camping for 2 days, 1 night is done again during the weekend. So, everyone is happy. Everyone is drunk. Everyone is leaving, and maybe next time again in 2 weeks. And I hope you enjoy what we have done today. So everyone is like ready to go except us, because I have more things to put in the car and my car is packed. Everyone is ready to go somewhere living. This guys is ready to rumble. Ano, talaga sa, let's go to Stave Lake. Huh? Stave Lake. Stave Lake. Pwede to. Ayan o, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Pwede pa oh. Pwede pa. We can still go somewhere. We still have whole day. What can you say?
Full day
Isaw
sa
girl.
Kuyap. Isaw
Ha?
girl.
Isaw. What can you say?
Siya ang isaw girl.
Siya yung kumain ng isaw.
Uy, ang tagal ko nilinisan yun ah.
Kaya ikaw nakarami din. Ikaw din nakarami. Wala mo lang itinira sa akin kahit isang stick, isang bilog lang ba? Tikman ko lang, no? Ba't tumatawa kayo? Ikaw marami na nakain na.
Kinain lahat ng isaw. Kinain mo lahat ng isaw.
Naka-isang tuog lang ako.
Congressman, yung ipamimigay natin, Congressman. Ha? Ilabas mo na. Ikaw, pag eleksyon, diyan ka. Pag tapos ang eleksyon, lalayo-layo ka. Oh. Ito, video na to. Wala nang picture to. Kami, sigurado naman ko yung mga mukha nyo lahat. Oh, di ba? Oh, 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 play. Tay. Oh. So next time we are all going, and Brian is going ahead. Next na to. Let's picnic. Okay. We're going now.
In 200